Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the 2.8-inch TFT Touch LCD 04 display result. Okay, so here we will take a look at the LCD display result for the color, RGB color, and the color bar and picture. Okay, so now let me open my camera to take a look at the LCD. Okay, so let's take a look at the LCD display result. So this is LCD. It already displays one picture on the LCD. Okay, it's my website's logo. And here we can reset the FPGA board. Click this one. It will show the red, green, blue, and then the color bar, red, green, blue, and black. And then in the end, we will show the picture, my website's picture. It means we already driver the LCD successfully. Okay, so you can if you can display the color bar, so you can display any picture which you like. Okay, so this is the board, this is FPGA board, and this is a wire cable to control the LCD. Okay, so let's take a look at it again. This one is the reset key. We will reset the program. Okay, it's red, green, blue, RGB black, and the picture, my logo, my website logo picture. Okay, so this is LCD display result. Okay, and I'm Michael, and see you next time.